Hello guys, my name is Mahire. I'm living in Montreal in Canada. Today I am here for giving testimony again for my family and one of my best friend in my childhood. Since 2017 June, I'm not able to hear of any words of my families and except the propaganda of China's news. Today I'm here for testify for my families and another one of best friend. Totally 7 person is here. They all living in the Aksu district of Kucha County in Xinjiang, China. Here, first of all, my aunt Habiba Gaid. I received the last message about her in April 2017. She was taken to the prison because of the normal practicing the religious about Islam, of course, and at the same time hundreds of people taken away to the prison from same village. After in June 2017 I received a message about from my mom actually, and she is begging me to do not contact anymore with any of my families and relatives. After that time I'm not able to hear any words of my families, and I don't know any idea about where they are living or how they are. Then just in December 19 in 2019 I received I saw the Chinese propaganda news. After that I don't have any idea again, and I'm still not able to contact with them. And there's another person, Alimjan Tayir. He's 34 years old and he's working as medical staff in the hospital of Ucha. And when I hear about him, he was in 2018 he was taken to the camp. Thank you for hearing, and I hope you will share my story. Thank you.